Here's a great deal on a 2014 Ram 1500. Top features include remote keyless entry, a power seat, an automatic dimming rearview mirror, automatic dimming door mirrors, heated and ventilated seats, heated steering wheel, and a split folding rear seat. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. The memory system includes pedal position, allowing multiple drivers to find their preferred driving positions easily. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.